Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back with me Ahmad Azari in data communication and computer network. So today we will discuss about data communication, data networking and internet. Yeah, three of them was related each other. And so let's start our discuss for this course by saying basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nah, so the base of the communication is how it reproducing the message and sending it from one point to another point, or known as transmission. Yeah, the fundamental problem of communication is that of reproducing at one point, either exactly or approximately, a message selected at another point. It was said by Claude Shannon in Mathematical Theory of Communication. A message transmit from one point to another point, such our daily communication. When we talk with our friends, with our parents, it should be partners, or our neighbor or teacher, etc. The message sending from the sender to the receiver. The message should be received clearly so the receiver yeah, can understand what the information what the information inside of the message. The key points, the data communication deals with the transmission signals in a reliable and efficient manner. Topics will be covered including signal transmission, media transmission, signal encoding, interfacing, data link control, and multiplexing. Networking deals with the technology and architecture of the communication network used to interconnect communicating devices. This field is generally divided into the topics of local area network, or we called LANs, and wide area networks, or called WANs. Now, the three different force trends have consistently driven the architecture and evolution of the evolution of data communications and networking facilities. The first one will be traffic growth, right? Traffic growth and development of new services and advances in technology. There are three different trends, that will be consistently asking, request the architecture and evolution of data communication. Traffic growth, development of new services, and advances in technology. Communication traffic, both local or within a building or building complex, and long distance, both voice and data, has been growing at a high and steady rate for decades. As business rely more and more information technology, more and more on information technology, the range of services will be expanded. Growth in services and growth in traffic capacity go hand in hand. Trends in technology enable the provision of increasing traffic capacity and the support of wide range of services. Now, so what is the data communication? So we will break down the data communication. The fundamental purpose of a communication system is the exchange of data between two parties. This is the same purpose of the communication between the system or the interpersonal. The purpose is transmit the information, in this case is data, between one part to another part. The exchange between parties will be held inside the system. Okay, now let's break down what is data communication and what is the characteristic inside of data communication. Okay, the data. Okay, what is the data? The data is information, right? The information presented in whatever form is agreed upon by the parties creating and using the data. Yeah, the data was covered by the information, so the data must be including the information, and the data communication will be the transmission, the exchange of data between two devices, one to another devices via some form of transmission medium from transmission media. The fundamental characteristic of data communication will be delivery, accuracy, timeliness, and jitter, variation of the packet arrival time. And we also know the communication with the telecommunication, which means the communication at a distance. Maybe tele in Greek will be far, so the communication at the far distance. The simplified communication model will be workstation. Yeah, you can see workstation, this, and connect to the server. Yeah. Now, between the workstation and the server will be connected to public telephone network. Yeah, also the server is also connected to public telephone network. The public telephone network will be connected, via modem. Yeah, it was. You can see workstation server will be connected to the server. So here is a general block diagram of communication. So there will be source and destination. The source will be transmit. The source system will be giving an data to transmitter. Then transmitter send to transmission system. Then transmission system will send the data to receiver, and the receiver will be reach the destination in destination system. The source will be generated data to be transmitted, examples such as telephones or PC, personal computers. And then the transmitter will be transformed and encodes the information such as modem. And the transmission system will be a single transmission line or complex nets. Complex network. Complex network will be connecting, the transmission system will be connecting the source and destination. So it will be generated, connecting from the source to the destination. And the receiver accept the signal from the transmission system and convert it into a form that can be handled by the destination device. And the destination takes the incoming data from the receiver. Okay. So what happened in general block diagram of communication? So we will break down. For the first time, when we got input information by M, okay, so we got the information, the source will be text, and the text will be sent, will be transformed, into the digital bit stream, So source will be send the data and transform it, to the transmitter. So the digital bit stream that was converted from the text will be input of transmitter, and the data that was converted by transmitter, digital bit stream will be sent into the transmission system that will be transmitted signal with the analog signal. So the digital bit stream will be converted into analog signal. The analog signal will be sent to the receiver. So the receiver will be receive the signal with the same signal before the transmitter, after the transmitter sent to the transmission system. It was the same signal analog. And then the receiver convert again, to the destination with the originally digital bit stream. So it will be an output data. In destination, we will got the text by converting by the encodes the digital bit stream, and we will got the information out there. Output information will be originally text. So this is the general block diagram of communication with the flow chart from the source into the destination. So there are five components of data communication. The first one is the message, right? The message, the sender, the receiver, transmission medium, and protocol. The message will be in information, including the information data to be communicated. The sender and the receiver will be the part of uh, the important part of them. The sender will send the message and the receiver will receive the message. And the transmission medium will be in the middle, in the center of the sender and receiver. So when we see in this picture, you can see this one will be including. So when the sender send a message to a medium, so there are so many rule 1 until n, with the protocol, with the kind of rules, and then send to the medium, and medium forward it to the receiver. So the receiver will be encode the message with the original one. A protocol is a set of rules that govern data communication. Okay, data will be represented by text, numbers, image, audio, and video. The direction of data flow will be simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Simplex will be unidirectional as one-way street. So when you see mainframe to the monitor will be direction of data just one-way street. But if you see half duplex, you see what of it, both transmit and receive possible. But you can see it's not the same time. This is not the same time, like one lane road with two directional traffic, so it cannot be the same time. You can imagine that was a walkie-talkie or CB radio. And the full duplex, it will be transmit and receive the data simultaneously, so it can be the same time, like two-way street with the telephone network. So the channel capacity will provide the two directional. Okay, direction of data flow with the simplex one, only one direction. If you see the TV and the remote control, it will be the one direction only. The direction will be remote to the TV, but the TV cannot give the instruction to the remote. So always one sender and another side will be receiver. So you can see the remote will be sender and another one will be receiver. The direction of data flow half duplex, two-way alternate. Each side may be sender or receiver but not at the same time. If you can see walkie-talkie in the different time. And the duplex, you can see two-way concurrent, At the same time, you can send a message with the same time. So concurrently, simultaneously from the one part to another part. You can imagine the computer network or the mobile network will be simultaneously or concurrently transmit the data and receive the data at the same time. Okay, after we discuss about the data flow, we will we will explain you about the network. What is network? A set of devices not connected by communication links. Yeah, network will be um, collect devices and connect it into the communication link. The node will be a computer, a printer, and any devices capable of sending or receiving the data. To be considered effective and efficient, a network must meet a number of criteria. The first one, the criteria will be of performance, and the second one is reliability, and the third one is security. What is it? The performance, reliability, or security? The performance depends on a number of factors. For the first time is a number of users, and the second one is type of transmission medium. The third one is hardware, and the last one is software. The performance is evaluated by two networking metrics. First is throughput, and the second one is delay. Performance can be measured in many ways, including the transmit time and response time. And what is the reliability? The reliability can be measured by the accuracy of delivery, or frequency of failure, or the recovery time of a network after its failure. And the last one is the security. The security network will be including the protecting data from unauthorized access, and then protecting data from damage, and the right policies and implementing it, and avoiding issue. So this is the type of the connection. The type of connection. Type of connection will be two, point to point or multi-point. If you see, the station to the station will be directly dedicated to link between two devices. The entire capacity of the channel is received, such as a microwave link or TV remote control. That was a point to point. And the other one is a multi-point. More than two devices will be shared into a single link. Capacity of the channel is either spatially shared or time shared. Okay, when we talk about the networking, we will know the topology of a physical. There are four types. The first one is mesh, and the second one is star, and bus, and ring. Mesh topology, a dedicated point-to-point link to every other nodes. So in every single station will be connect point to point. If you see this one, the station 1 will be connected to station 2 with the single link, okay, point to point. It's also station 2 and station 3 will be connected to another node. So every single station will be connected with a single link. If you can see this one, so a mesh network will be dedicated to point exactly to point to another point, right? Just dedicated point to another point. A mesh network with an n node has with this formula n multiplied by n minus 1 and divided by 2 links. A node has n minus 1 is an input or output port of links. The advantage of this topology, the mesh topology, is no traffic problems, robust, security easy for identification and installation. And the disadvantage is installation, space, and cost. Okay, the second one is star topology. The star topology will dedicated point-to-point link only to a central controller called a hub. Yeah, when you see this one, not every station dedicated to another station directly by one link, but the station 1 to station 2, station 3, and station 4 will be connected to a central controller, or we call hub. Hub will be act as an exchange, no direct traffic between devices. The advantage will be less expensive. Yeah, will be less expensive, but will be robust. The disadvantage will be dependency of the whole with one single point, the hub. The bus topology. One long cable that links all nodes, such a bus, yeah, at the first cable, yeah, to the end of cable. Tap a drop line cable end. Limit on the end of devices. Distance between nodes. The advantage will be easy installation, and it was cheap. But it is disadvantage, it's difficult to reconfiguration. No fault isolation. A fault or break will be stop all the transmission data. And this the ring topology, dedicated point-to-point only with two nodes on each side. Only one direction and will be repeater. Yeah. Just only with the two nodes on each side. The advantage will be easy reconfiguration, and will be for isolation. The disadvantage will be unidirectional traffic. A break in the ring cable will be disable the entire of the network. So the repeater is such very warm, yeah. So dangerously. If you break the ring cap, will be disable the entire network. And this is the last one, is the hybrid topology. The hybrid topology will be share, yeah, data from topology with the bus, yeah, bus station will be connected to central controller or hub, yeah. The main star topology with each branch connecting several stations in bus topology. It will use to share the advantage from various topologies. So it connected few topology such as bus and star topology. Okay, in the network we also know the three network categories. The first one is LAN, local area network. The second one will be metropolitan area network, and the last one is wide area network. LAN, usually privately owned, yeah, a network of four single a single office, building, or campus with a few kilometers. The common LAN topologies will be, you can see this one. This one will be bus, yeah, and you can be star, and will be, yeah, this will be bus, and it will be ring, connected to another one. Okay, common LAN topologies. There are three common LAN topologies: bus, ring, and star. An isolated LAN connect 12, yeah, to a hub in class. The MAN, yeah, designed to extend to an entire city. Cable TV network, a company's connected LAN out by a private or public company. And one, the wide area network will be long distance transmission, such as a country, a continent, or the world. Enterprise network, yeah, with the one will be enterprise network, one that is owned by the used by one company, such as switch one and the point-to-point one. internetwork, or we'll call internet. Yeah. So the two or more networks are connected by the internetworking devices. Internetworking devices will be router, a gateway, and etc. Yeah, you can see in the picture will be R as a router. So the internet is a specific worldwide network. Yeah, will be worldwide network. It connected to the LAN and connected to the WAN. Yeah, between the router and gateway. The internet work sample, yeah, a heterogeneous network for ones and two LANs. You can see this one. This is the LAN, yeah. This is the LAN connected to the central controller and connect to the LAN with the router. Sorry, connect to the one with the router, yeah, and connect to switch one into the wide area network, yeah, and connect to another computer by using medium of modem. The internet has revolutionized, yeah, many aspects of our daily lives. It has affected the way we do business as well as the way we spend our leisure time. The internet is a communication system that has brought a wealth of information to our fingertips and organized it for our use. The internet today, we can find a ISP, NISP, and NAP. ISP will be Internet Service Provider, and the second one will be National ISP, and NAP will be Network Access Point. You can see, yeah, the right one. This is the right one of the using of internet for today. The protocols, yeah, the protocols is a set of rules, yeah, a set of rules that govern the communication. For communication to occur, yeah, entities must be agree upon a protocol, must be agree upon a set of rules. The key elements of protocol will be syntax, semantics, and the timing. Syntax will be structure or format data, and semantics will be each section, yeah, will be its meaning, yeah, semantics meaning of each section in the structure. So every single section, yeah, should be in the structure. The timing, when and how the data will be sent, yeah, how fast data will be sent to a point to another point by using the protocol. The standard, yeah, the standard or agree upon rules. So the rules cannot be agreed easily. It will be follow the standard or agreed or upon rules. The standard is essential, yeah. For the first one is to creating the maintaining open and competitive market, and the second one will be guaranteeing national or international, yeah, interoperability. Yeah, there are two categories. The first one is de jure, and the second one is de facto. De jure means by law, yeah, or by the regulation of the national of the country. This will be the standard, and de facto will be by fact or by convention standard. De facto will be divided into the two standard, the two type, yeah, the proprietary and the non-proprietary, or the closed one and the open one. The standard organizations are developed by the standard creation committees, forums, or regulatory agencies. The standard committees and forums will be slow moving. Yeah, the standard committees are slow moving. Forums are made up of interested corporations. Forums are able to speed acceptance of a particular technology. Standard committees, yeah, there are such five committees that we all knownable, okay, knownable in the in of today, yeah, knownable, yeah, such as an ISO, yeah, the Voluntary International Organization, ITUT, yeah, formerly CCITT, from by UN, and the ANSI, private non-profit corporation in the US, and the IEEE, the largest engineering society in the world, and the EIA, yeah, non-profit organization in the US. The internet standard will be followed the three standards, yeah, as the internet, yeah, agree upon will be accepted, yeah, will be agreed by the set of rules. There are three standards. For the first time, IETF, Internet Draft, and RFC. IETF will be Internet Engineering Task Force. Internet Draft will be working document with no official status and 6-month lifetime. And the RFC, or request for comment, will be edited, assigned a number, and made available to all interested. So that's all for today. Just a short explanation, yeah, just a little bit explanation. You can learn, yeah, you can get information from any source, yeah, from internet, from the other books, and you can learn it, yeah. We have learned data communication, yeah, we have learned data network by type or characteristic, and we also learn internet and internet working. So if you have any questions about this course, please write in the comment. You can write in the classroom, you can write in the YouTube, or you can write in the WhatsApp group. Please make sure you fill out the presence form, yeah. So let's close our lesson today by saying Alhamdulillah, and see you next week, and bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.